welcome back. Let's go to the next part of this business conceptual meta model rebuilding. So I hope we have keep growing the smoothness of our tools usage. On the top left is we will keep using the sequences starting from Protege, then arrows.app and graph database Neo4j. And this video, let's try to build the relationship from business objective and the business drivers within the conceptual these areas still. So let's do that now. Before we go to the actual modeling, I have started to publish my packaged video to my YouTube channel first. So I put the link here. This is the video list. If you click that now, you will be directed to here. So that is I'm putting the three the videos already there, so I will keep adding those. So this will be the primary sharing zone, so that you can match into the GitHub contents to look at all my videos, and also I will keep adding those package or this sequence later on to the other video list or platform. So we are still in this top left corner, business objective and the driver. Let's quickly go to that to see how fast we can finish within one go. So this in the right is the put here, business objective. So let me see. So objective to business driver. So objective, let's try to write what's this business driver. So with here, so I will try to, the way is I try to find is from here. I try to find instance of what is the another side of the this element. So it should have our instance of business driver. Yeah, it's this one. So BO, so business objective motivated by driver. So this is the from the relationship is we may no need to write down so long. So I see just is motivated by, is motivated by, and the inverse is motivates. I can say business. This BD is the business driver, so we can just call that is the business driver motivates business objective. So that is our relationship. Is then the this direction is from the business driver to business objective. So here we have our new, so business objective. Let's create our new. So that is the way. So you may get our, let me see, node, how I can create here. So add node is the business driver. And from the business driver to business objective is motivates. And from the business objective to business driver is motivated by. So let's look at here. So motivated by. So let's ensure is I have the correct. So we have a new element create. So I can do that here. So business objective. So I can put this like this way, and we have a new business driver. So that is the way is I'm putting this spreadsheet is expanded. So motivates. Ensure is who are the subject is motivated by. So that is our two new relationships. So let me save that to the CSV. So save. to the CSV, save as. Now is the, let me see whether this already the CSV. I also need to save that back to my Excel. So that is, I also have an Excel file, but I can also only keep the CSV file. So let's do that here in Protege first. Although I'm already okay to make that in the graph database. So business driver. So I need to create our individual. So create this. And the business driver, we have our the motivates. So I also need to create our here the relationship. So simply motivates and is motivated by. So it's fine if we have some different the naming, so simpler than this original essential. So I keep that as an inverse, and we can now individuals by class come to business driver. This is business driver. So is motivate weights. Oh, objective. And when I come to the business objective, click here, run synchronize reasoner. So this is coming. So that's good for us. Let me save this RDF and come to my graph. So run this again. So load the CSV. So I can put that is bigger, and I don't need the earlier one. So I can remove that. This is my eager. So query execution plan contains the eager operator. Load CSV is combined with eager can consume a lot of memory. So that to me is fine. So I will just load that. You can see the business driver is coming. Double click that. You can find the business objective, and the business objective is keeping that. Within driver, we only have a create because that is only in the new edit, but business objective is refreshed by the updated one because it's touch base on the old CSV file. So we have now 6 relationship that is good for our graph database. So this is the keep growing of our MetaModel on both the Neo4j and the new version of the Protege. So we started, we finish this one. So I can feel is we're starting to have the faster speed, so that is we can try to see whether we can finish some more relationship in one go or one video. So maybe next one is I will move to this business capability. Then we can see whether we can do 1 or 2 parts from here. So see you in the next video. Bye for now.